Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to remove page number from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Okay, so what I am going to do in this video, that this you will see this is page number 1. Okay, this is page number 2, and here you will see this is page number 3 and this is page number 4. Okay, so I want to remove page number from this page. Okay, so what I have to do, first you will see here. Okay, you have to click here, right click, and then you have to select section. Okay, now this is section 1, this is section 1, and also this is section 1. Now what you have to do, you have to select or click at the page where on which you want to remove the number. Okay, so now just click the page and then you have to click on layout. Okay, here you will see option breaks, click on it and click on continuous. Okay, now go to page number 3 and then repeat that all. Here also click on breaks and click on continuous. Okay, now what you have to do, now you have to just click on this page number. Okay, here you have to click on here, click. You will see that here you will see same as previous option. Okay, so if I remove this page number from here, okay, if I remove the page number from here, you will see it is removed from every page. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first unlink to this page from this page. Okay, so you have to just click on this link to previous. Okay, click on this. Now it is unlinked. Okay, now you have to go again here and you have to click again this link to previous. Okay, so when I remove the page number from here, I remove page number from here, you will see this nothing happened. But now what you have to do, you will see this is page number 1 but and this is page number 3. Now page number 2 is not mentioned here. So now what you have to do, you have to again click here. Okay, and go to page number. Here you will see page number in the header footer, you will see page number. Now click on format page number, then here click on start from 2. Okay, so now you will see this is page number 1, this is page number 2, and this is page number 3. So like this you can remove specific, you can remove page number from a specific page in Microsoft Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.